Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I am replacing a vent in my Tahoe, and I wasn't going to video it because it really didn't seem that difficult, but I'm going to show you just real quick what I have to do to get the switches out. I was thinking I wasn't going to show the video because I would do it and then not have shown the video, and somebody will say, well, why didn't you show it? So here we go. I took the faceplate off, and if you haven't done that before, it literally just pops off. There's just these inside these squares, there's some clips, and you just tug on it a little bit and it'll pop right off. You have to tilt the steering wheel down to get it all the way out, but it's really easy to get out. This piece, I'm back up a little bit here. You just pull it forward. You'll have to take out this bolt right down here and give this a tug, because the lower part of this right here goes right here, and it's behind this piece, and you can't get this out without moving this. And so now I'm putting the switches from the one to the other, and there's little clips, so you're going to have to, and this is kind of where it kind of got, I don't want to say woolly, but different. So you got to pop this row of 4x4 switches out before you can unplug them, because you got clips on the back side right here. Shoot, hold on. You got a clip right here and right here that you have to do to get those plugs out, and you can't get the plugs out. You can't get to those clips very easily when it is still in the holder. So that's where I'm at right now, and that's kind of really the only tough part about this, if it's even tough. So let me see where I can find a spot for this camera. Okay, so you're pointing down at the floor, in case you're wondering what the direction is. There's one. Two. So 4x4 switches out, wires come out, and now you can swap the rest of the stuff over into the other assembly. Here's the new assembly. So this is the piece that was broken, and you got to wonder, how does that get broken? But anyway. And to get the switches out, you just got more clips here. You just push it from the back, and out they come. Alright, there's the old one. And let's make sure we get these all in the right directions. Oh, no. Oh. So it goes like that. This goes in here like that. And just click it in. And this goes down here. You just click that in. And then we'll feed this harness through and plug in our 4x4 switches again. And turn this right side up. Click those in. And now we'll plug in these other two things here. That. And getting funky. Put this in here. Just barely reaches. And now we'll start lining up the holes. So you can see where this piece, I think, where you can see that goes in there, probably not. And just kind of work it into position here. I gotta set the camera down, I think. Snap, crackle, pop. And she is in there solid. So let's put this back up here. There we go. And I'm going to put the screw back in. Hold on. Now you may be saying to yourself, now why is Jim doing that? Well, let me tell you why. About 2 weeks ago we had a cold snap. It's 15 degrees outside. And I come out, of course the truck's covered in snow and ice. And I put my window down a little bit so that I could see out the window. And it came down about 3 inches and it wouldn't go back up. And I couldn't direct the heat towards the window to defrost it because I didn't have a vent. So I had a scorecard from the golf course somewhere and I had to make a little chute so it would go towards the window. That is why I spent $15 and put a new piece in there. Alright, now I'm going to put the dash piece back on. So you got to put the steering wheel down and drop your gear shift lever all the way down. Put your steering wheel down, and there's only about 1,000 videos on the YouTube how to do this, but since you're here, and let's move some of these extraneous wires out of the way. There we go. Not too much to it. So while we're here, you guys know how to reset that airbag light. Let me know. Okay, so that's it for this little project. Thanks for watching. And like always, like, share, subscribe. And I look forward to seeing you at the next video. Alright, have a great day.